Broccoli rabe nutrition facts. Broccoli rabe, also known as rapini, broccoli rabe, or broccoli de rape, is a leafy, cruciferous vegetable. Contrary to the name, broccoli rabe is not in the broccoli family along with broccolini. Instead, it is part of the Brassica family and more closely related to turnips, though it is often cooked like leafy greens. This vegetable looks like it has long broccoli stalks with spinach leaves and small, broccoli-like florets at the top. The stems, leaves, and florets are all edible, and this vegetable is nutritious, easy to cook, and associated with many health benefits. When eaten raw, broccoli rabe has a very bitter flavor, so cooking and flavoring it is recommended. Broccoli rabe probably originated in Asia and it is frequently stir-fried. Later it became commonly used in Italian cooking where it is mixed with pasta, though it also makes for an excellent side dish when you want to add some greens to your plate. Broccoli rabe nutrition facts. The nutritional content of broccoli rabe depends on whether it is raw or cooked as well as the serving size. The following nutrition information is provided by the USDA for 1 cup 40 grams of raw, chopped broccoli rabe. Calories, 8.8. Fat, 0.2 grams. Sodium, 13.2 milligrams. Carbohydrates, 1.1 grams. Fiber, 1.1 grams. Sugars, 0.15 grams. Protein, 1.3 grams. Health benefits. The nutritional profile of broccoli rabe contributes to its many health benefits. May lower risk of neural tube defects. Folate and the synthetic version, folic acid, have been shown to prevent neural tube defects, birth defects of the brain, spine, and spinal cord. The folate content in broccoli rabe may help prevent neural tube defects at the cellular level. In 1 cup of broccoli rabe there is about 8% of the recommended daily intake of folate. The CDC recommends that women who may become pregnant should consume a folate-rich diet and consider supplementation of this important nutrient. May improve cognitive function. Broccoli rabe is an excellent source of vitamin K. In 1 cup of broccoli rabe, there is about 75% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin K. A 2020 study involving 320 men and women aged 70 to 85 years of age has shown that adequate vitamin K status has a positive correlation with cognitive function in healthy older adults. Eating foods high in vitamin K to maintain adequate vitamin K levels in the body is also associated with improved heart health and bone health. May reduce risk of cancer. Broccoli rabe is one of many Brassica vegetables. Research has shown that Brassica vegetables, including rapini broccoli, contain phenolic compounds that can act as antioxidants. Since antioxidants have proven benefits related to reduced risk of cancer and protection against free radicals, consuming antioxidant-rich vegetables has many health benefits. May promote weight loss. Broccoli rabe is naturally lower in calories, fat, and carbs. It is also suitable for a variety of diets, including vegan, gluten-free, and keto diets. People with various health goals can incorporate broccoli rabe as part of their lifestyle, including people who want to lose weight in a sustainable, healthy way. Broccoli rabe can be eaten raw or cooked. Always wash your vegetables before eating them. Consuming raw broccoli rabe may yield a more bitter taste, so a quick blanch is recommended for a milder flavor. You can also grill and sauté broccoli rabe. Broccoli rabe is commonly used in Asian and Italian cooking, though it can be incorporated in many types of cuisine and healthy recipes. The key to making broccoli rabe is using plenty of seasonings and spices and cooking it thoroughly. If you are new to broccoli rabe, try blanching or sautéing it with olive oil, and serving as a side dish with your favorite protein source. For home chefs of all experience levels, try some of those healthy broccoli recipes.